Is your USB not showing up in File Explorer or not being recognized? I'm going to show you how to fix that. Let's get into it. Step 1. Try another USB port. Sometimes the issue is the port, not the drive. Unplug the USB. Try a different USB port. Test it on another computer. If it works elsewhere, Windows is the problem. If not, proceed to the next step. Right-click the Start menu, select Device Manager. Inside Device Manager, we're going to expand disk drives. Then, you're going to look for a USB drive. Here's my USB drive. You want to right-click, select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Let's close that. So try your USB and see if it shows up in File Explorer. If not, right-click your USB drive, select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall. Restart your PC. Windows will reinstall it automatically. Again, try and see if your USB shows up in File Explorer. If that still did not work, on your taskbar, right-click the Start menu, select Disk Management. Here is my USB drive. It's detected in Disk Management, but not in File Explorer. So we need to assign it a drive letter. Right now, there's no drive letter. So you're going to right-click your USB drive, select Change Driver Letter and Paths. Click Add. Assign a new letter. I'm going to assign F. Click OK. If we go to File Explorer, the USB is now showing. If the USB drive is now still showing up in File Explorer, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Tap Disk Path and press Enter. Then list disk. Disk 2 is my USB drive. Tap Select Disk 2 or whatever your disk number is. Press Enter. Disk 2 is now the selected disk. You're going to tap Attributes, Disk Clear Read Only. Press Enter. This removes any write protection on the drive. Try your USB and see if it is now showing up in File Explorer. If that still didn't work and your USB can't show up in File Explorer, the last step is to format your USB drive. And just be careful as this will remove all data you have on your USB drive. Tap Clean and press Enter. Wait a little bit while Command Prompt formats your drive. You will see Disk Path succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now we're going to create the partition. Tap Create, Partition, Primary. Press Enter. You will need to do this before you can further format your USB drive. Disk Path succeeded in creating the specified partition. Tap Format, FS equal NTFS, and press Enter. Wait a little bit until the format is 100% completed. You will see Disk Path successfully formatted the volume when it's finished. Now we need to assign a drive letter. Tap Assign, Letter equal. Tap a single letter to assign to a USB drive. I will assign F. Press enter. We're just going to tap exit and press enter. This will exit the expired program so you can continue using your USB drive to save files. Let me know in the comments which step fixes for you. And don't forget to follow and share this video.